So guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So in our last session we have worked on the navbar. In the navbar section we have done all this. So, and if there is anything you don't understand in that, please do wait to comment and get in touch with me, and I will be solving all this. If you get any errors, please do wait to contact me. So in this section we'll be working on this home screen, this full home screen, and also we'll be working on this navbar. This is a navbar to declare the welcome screen. So this is our demo website. You can see it, our demo website. So just does it. So let's head up and start coding. So as I've said, we'll be working on the navbar. So what we need to do now, within our div, within this div, so within this div, which is a container fluid div, we'll be adding up, let's just add up a comment first. And this comment, we'll be giving it navbar 2, or you can just say welcome navbar. Whatever you wish to write in your comments, just for understanding, welcome navbar, then just copy paste. Just have to Ctrl C then V, paste, and so here we'll be adding up a navbar, and this navbar is going to take a class, a bootstrap class. Don't worry, you can also copy this directly from the bootstrap site, but I just prefer coding because it's good to code so you can master it. So with this navbar, we're taking a navbar of expand large. So we'll be taking a class of navbar, and that navbar will give you another class, navbar expand large, to fit to any screen. And we'll be giving another navbar to make our navbar have a theme, dark theme. As I said, you can copy this directly from the bootstrap if you want to, but it's best and advice, if you are a beginner, it's best you type so you can master it and type by yourself. What we need to do now is to press enter and see, create this class for us, a navbar class, so that bootstrap is going to know we are using the navbar. Then the navbar expand large for larger screen, and a navbar dark. So we want to enter this, and we're going to create a list now, and this list, this UI list, which is same for other lists, is going to take a class of navbar nav margin. This ME or just means margin. We take margin, auto margin. This ME means margin, and this E means end, this M means margin. It's just a bootstrap class. You can style it differently in your CSS part, but I just prefer to style it with the bootstrap. I'm going to create a list, and this list is going to take a class of navbar item. Then we're going to create a link. This link is going to take a class of navbar link. We'll just say nav link, nav link. For now, we are not going to be redirecting to anywhere. When it's time for us to do this automatically, we are going to be redirecting. So for now, we're just going to give it static class here, and here we're just going to simply write welcome. Welcome guests. See it written here, welcome guest. And what we need to do is to copy. We're going to paste this over here, and here going to write here login, or just keep it in small letter. Whatever you want to style it, you can style it. And for you to know, when we are working on this is just not going to be static. When it's not logged in, it's going to be welcome guest, but when it's logged in, is going to be the user's name, and here will be changed to logout. So let's just build this statically now. So you can see we are done with that. So that will be all. In the next video we'll be working on the home section. So see you there. Please, if you find value in this video, please do well to like and subscribe. So just before we stop this video, let's just save and go view it out. Just copy it so we can view this out, and make sure you start your XAMPP panel. You start the Apache and MySQL. So I'm just going to paste this. And over here we're just going to take this out and put the localhost, and you can see we have it here. So see you in the next video.